Hello guys, so we're making our way over to the O2 and we're going to the driving range today. And
Fucking what today, man? I'm gonna what today, man?
After we've been to the driving range, we're gonna chill out for a bit, we're gonna walk about, do all that good stuff. And then we're just making our way to the Emirates airline to get to the O2, travelling in style. Walking. The line. It's Callum's first time. Just got out the driving range, we're going to go over to Canary Wharf now, we're going to go and jump on the tube over at the O2.
Yes, O2.
And then we're going to see what we can do around Canary Wharf for a bit, because we've never been!
Yeah, I totally in to play golf today, so.
So, we've reached Canary Wharf and apparently there's a shopping centre below us, underground. So we're going to go down there now, check it out. Oh my god! Look at this one.
He's a vlogger, man.
I can't believe there's like a shopping centre below Canary Wharf, I didn't even know this was there.
This is crazy.
He's a really nice designer.
This place is pretty big to be fair, I was expecting it to be a lot smaller.
We've got a Rolex shop.
Like we can afford Rolexes! just come to the roof garden up at Canary Wharf. Oh, this place is so chilled. Oh, look at it,
But he
man.
didn't die. Woo!
Callum just got back. We just went, we got some food, went around the shops for a bit, and then we just come back. So that's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.